a bit of research done on the benefits of cover crops, and cover crops benefit soil health. We also know on the economic end, the fastest way to see a benefit is by incorporating livestock into our cover crop systems. But there's not really a lot of information out there for farmers and ranchers looking at integrating livestock as to how to manage those livestock within those systems. Some of the things we like to put in our cover crop mix when we're doing a full season, we want to have those cool season grasses, oats, peas. We want to have some type of warm season, a sorghum sudan, a millet, and then also having those brassicas in the mix. It's really important, just like with any other crop, is looking at the soil nutrients and making the recommendation based off of those soil nutrients. If you're a farmer looking to partner with a rancher to get some livestock out on your fields and your cover crops, there's a few things you want to consider: the mixture and what's going to be needed for those livestock to help maintain their nutritional plane while also meeting your goals as a farmer. The timing of when they're going to want to graze that is going to influence that selection as well. How much residue you want left behind is really important to communicate that, so that they're moving the animals and setting their stocking rate so that they're leaving that amount of residue behind to meet your objectives as well. And those are some of the most important things. I also think it's important to know where your water source is. In a lot of our waters and naturally occurring in our aquifers, we have a lot of sulfates, and sulfates can be highly toxic. At 2,000 parts per million, they can be deadly. We see health impacts as low as 500 for calves and 1,000 parts per million for mature cows. So we really want to monitor that closely and recommend having your water samples submitted to a lab for a livestock water quality panel. And so those are conversations that need to be had up front so that everybody comes out happy.